Today we're meeting some of the largest mammals known to man at the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Join us on this very special trip. We're at Camp 4 and the elephants are just over there. Come on. Oh. They're trying to rob the little one out of his mouth.
Really?
Yeah, the one next to him is going into the other one's mouth trying to get the bananas out.
Oh my god!
Yeah, so
Very
cheeky.
naughty. Which one is the mother? The big one.
Because none of them had tusks except for them.
So this one, the bigger one.
Yeah.
Is
I think they're all female. I don't think there's any males. GG. Managing it even with on crutches. After the initial first meetings, we were collecting trees and branches from the jungle. Really interesting to get to feed the elephants by hand. But our time here was really special. You touched an elephant?
it's to be honest, a cat is better. It's a little bit like you can feel it. It's quite hard to feel their head.
Yeah. It is almost like stubble, long
Yeah.
stubble.
Yeah.
Oh, they like the teenage one. Hello. Hello. Elephants aren't the only cute inhabitants. Worst ways to spend a morning. I think it was worth waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning for.
Yeah.
Definitely worth waking up. The views from here are pretty insane. And this is camp number 4.
Yeah.
And they've got 6 elephants. Next we made some nutrient balls. We had to pound together the ingredients. It was pretty goddamn messy. Our hands were stinking by the end of it. Are we not making? Bon! Bon! No. After dinner, it was time for a bath, and that's why we all went down to the water. Words cannot do justice to how much fun is bathing an elephant and seeing their joy in their faces. I really cannot stress how fantastic my experience at Jungle Sanctuary was, and the elephants there are so well looked after. I really rate this, and I would say this is a top 10 experience. Thank you for watching, and join us next time when we travel to Bangkok.